Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key just here or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see reversing sensors and plenty of boot space. You can increase this space further should you wish to by folding down the 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in. And as I said, we'll run through some of the controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork for the car the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the door card just here. Of course, the handle to open the door, but what I'm really showing you here are the memory seats. So we have electric seats, 2 memory settings for the driver's seat, and the same for the passenger side. The driver's seat also has a massage function as well. It's also over here where you'll find your electric window controls. Over to the dials next. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer as well. On the right-hand side, the rev counter, and it will show what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park. We have the fuel gauge down in that section as well. To the left, underneath the speedometer, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 28,345. You can access certain menus up here using the button here and then these arrows. Over on the left hand side we have cruise control for the car, and then into the center the main touchscreen. For reference, that's the size of my hand, so really nice big clear color display. This button will always take you back to the home screen, which is what we're on at the moment. You can from there access your satellite navigation. Really lovely color display, as you can see. We can access our audio menu, where you'll be able to change between FM, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio as well. Loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. We can pair our phone, of course. We have various car status messages that you can have up on there. And our climate control. So you can determine the fan speed, the direction the air is being distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning on. You've got, as you see, lots of different bits up here that you're able to access. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see a 360 parking camera just there with a touchscreen that will let you access the individual cameras themselves. So 360 view, you can access any of these cameras. It does make it incredibly easy to park this car. Below that we have the main volume for the stereo, the gear lever for the automatic gearbox, 12-volt charging socket. You can change the driving mode of the car. We have electronic handbrake with auto hold function, and this dial starts and stops the engine. So that's the car off, and that is it started up again. The last thing I wanted to show you is the panoramic glass roof and sunroof. So we have a sun blind that you can open up. You can open that all the way to the back of the car. You can leave it as just the sun blind open and the roof closed if you wish to. And obviously that will let in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area. So you can leave it like that, as I say, or you can open the sunroof section that you saw open just a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.